So here is another trick of sound problem, the clang sound. Sometimes it's because of the screw at the top here. You see there is two screw is loose. It's not tight enough. That will affects the sound. Is if it is clang sound or subtle one. So after you may able to test it to open the slide, take out the flint and then test the screw here. Is it tight enough?
我而家鬆翻佢啊嚇。
So right now it's fixed, but right now we show you another. If it is not tight enough, what sound is it? Will be like this.
啊，係咪？
Okay. So after you test it, if this technique cannot able to give you a really clear clang sound, that means the lighter itself is like that. So you see the sound right now is have a clang sound. It's better than previously. So after that, remember to put back the flint wheel, the flint in
嗱呢個咧就唔使扭喎，呢個未必一定要扭喎。
Then you have to they have to test if it's tight enough as well, right?
有啲我哋拉都係得一粒嘅。
Okay, sometimes like some nitro family got just one screw at the top, but some scissors we have two screw. So you can test two of the screw if it's tight enough to give you the clang sound you desire.